Hey everyone, Coach Adam. And this is ridiculous that this is the last sports episode of the school year. But we're going to be practicing some more of the defensive side of baseball, which is pitching. If you have a good enough pitcher, they can literally shut down a whole batting lineup. There's different types of pitchers: knuckleballs, sliders, curveballs, and even a fastball. So let's show you them all.
Hey guys, it's Jack. I'm going to be showing you guys the proper techniques and mechanics on how to throw, pitch, and be a good pitcher. And so yeah, there's going to be two ways of pitching. I'll show you both ways. So first we're going to start from the windup. So this is what you're going to want to do, and there's no runners on base. Normally you're going to be doing this at the beginning of an inning. So you're going to want to come set. So where you have the ball in your glove like this. You're going to want to take a step back, bring your foot across, lift your leg, separate, and follow through. And you're going to want to pull the glove in and extend through and make a good throw. That's how you're going to get the most accurate and fastest pitches you can possibly get. Guys, this is the second way of pitching. It's called the stretch. You're going to normally want to do this when you have runners on base, normally late in the game. So what you're going to want to do is come set, like so, lift up, start going forward, pull apart, and then bring back in and follow through. And that's going to be mostly what you do late game, just because it's faster. Probably you're going to be throwing a lot more accurate doing that. You don't have as much to do there. And yeah, that's how you're going to have to pitch there. All right, we're going to be going over some pitches now. The first pitch I want to go over is the four-seam fastball. So you're going to hold it like this, your hands on the seams. You want to hold it like this. It's called a four-seam fastball because when you throw it, it's going to be coming out like this, and you'll see all four seams of the ball. And this is mostly going to be the fastest pitch you throw, the most accurate pitch you throw, and it's just going to go in like that. All right, so the second pitch, it's going to be called the two-seam fastball. You're going to grip it like this with both fingers on a seam, and when you throw this one, it's going to come out like this, and it's going to start shooting away whatever way you throw. So if you're a left-handed pitcher, you're going to throw it, and it's going to come out. You roll out your fingers like that. If you're right-handed, you're going to throw it. It's going to come out like this. And they call it a two-seam fastball because you only see two seams of the ball. Next pitch we're going to go over is the normal changeup. So a changeup, you're normally going to want to hold it. There's different ways to hold it, but this is the most common way. You're going to hold it like this with all three fingers on the ball. And when you throw it, it's going to come out like that, come out of your hand like that, and spin off your pinky. And you're going to want to throw this a lot slower, and it's going to drop. And the last pitch I'll be showing you guys is the curveball. So you're going to want to hold a curveball like this, right here on the two seams, both of your fingers. And there's two ways of throwing a curveball. You can throw it like this, and then at the end you can twist the wrist, which is probably not a good idea. You're not going to want to do that one. The other one is called a 12-6 curveball because you're going to want to throw it from 12 on the clock. That's why they call this 12 on the clock to 6 on the clock. So you just throw it straight like a football, kind of. And it's going to just spin like this, and it's going to drop. And yeah, that's the pitches right there.
I had so much fun teaching y'all different sports through the videos and through the Zoom calls. So I hope to see y'all next time. See you later.